Here's a project I've set up to have mail merge fields. To create a mail merge field, all you need to do is highlight the text, right click, and name it to match the column of your CSV. So you'll see I have a couple of these throughout the project. You can identify them by the blue brackets when you hover over them. Here's my CSV. Each column is a field. And what mail merge will do is bulk create the project with each row being its own version with the fields populated. I'm going to click download. Make sure you've downloaded the file as a CSV first. When you choose the file, you'll have an option to pick an identifier that basically names each file as unique row, item, or name, whatever you want it to be. And then just make sure the mapping is correct. Now that they've finished downloading, I can view each file and you'll see each version is uniquely populated based on each row. So if we look at the Melissa row, you'll see it has all the unique values based off of that row.